This lesson, we'll see a simple question on sorts. I prefer you pause the video, take a look at the question, then come back to see my solution. Hi, welcome back. I'll do my best to explain as simple as possible. Our question says that half of root 32 minus root 18 plus root 2. Look at 32 first. Let's simplify 32 first. This is our basic LCM principle. If I have 32 here, 32 is obviously an even number. My first suggestion here will be 2. 2 here will be 16. 2 in 16 is 8. 2 in 8 is 4. 2 in 4 is 2. And obviously 2 in 2 is 1. So for 32, I have 2 times 2 times 2, that's 2 raised to power 5. So that this will be half the root of 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Let's break down 18 too. 18 too can be broken down in a similar manner. Here is 18, an even number, so we'll think of 2 first. 2 in 18 is 9. 9 could be divided by 3. 3 in 9 is 3, and 3 in 3 is 1. So I can bring 18 also to be 2 times 3 times 3. Now plus the root of 2. So doing, we've actually broken it down to the simplest form. Now this is 2, here is 2, I'm left with 1, 2. Then here is also 3. So I can take this as 2 times 2 times, because I have 1, 2 here, that will be the root of what? 2. Minus, this is the root of 2 again, times 3 plus the root of 2. So that is the same thing as half. I have 2 times 2, that's times 4, times 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2 plus root 2. So that will be 2 here is 1, 2 in 4 is 2. That will be 2 root 2 minus 3 root 2 plus root 2. That's the same thing as 2 root 2 minus 3 root 2. That's minus root 2 plus root 2. Minus root 2 plus root 2 is the same as saying minus a plus a, which is obviously equals to what? 0. Equals to 0. With this, I hope you understand how I solved this short question. In case you have gray areas, please don't hesitate to share with us in the comment section. We'll be there to respond to you. Thank you for staying with us, and see you in our next class.